In this video, we'll see how to create a character IK rig, and facial rig with library of facial expressions.
Creative Park. Expect the unexpected. Log into creativepark.co.in. Register to download the latest softwares and add-ons. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
You can download the add-on from mblab.dev. Download the latest version 1.77. This is version 2.83. To install the add-on, go to Edit, Blender Preferences. Click Install, select the zip file from the download location. Click the checkbox to activate the add-on, and save preferences. By pressing the hotkey N, you can see the add-on in View 3D panel. From creation option. In last video, we saw how to create characters using MB Lab Addon. Before creating character, make sure to turn on inverse kinematics, muscles and studio lights from the creation options. Once the character is created, you can see the basic IK controls and 3 lights set up in the scene. The add-on creates head control, IK setup with finger controls, the add-on also creates foot roll rig. Creates 3-point lighting, which is key, fill and backlight. Backlight is also called rim light or hair light. The fill light is the second light for your scene. The key light is the primary light point for your scene. Is most often placed in front of your subject. Once we are done with the setup, it's time to finalize the character. To do that, enter a custom name and prefix, and click Finalize button. This process may take few minutes. From After Creation Tools, click the button Face Expressions. By default, the add-on creates a library of presets that covers the most common human phenotypes. The values of the sliders are set from 0 to 1. Along with a library of facial expressions, a custom rig is provided to help to animate face. Thank you. See you soon in another video.
Subscribe. Hit the notification bell.